Hi everyone, I'm Corey from RecPro, here to tell you about our new electric and manual cassette awnings. Versatile, durable, and perfect for your outdoor needs. To open or close the electric awning, simply press the switch until it reaches the desired position. Then pull out the aluminum support legs, then lift the handle to rotate them into position. Next, slide the support leg downward and secure the foot into the wall anchor. Then turn the handle on the leg to tighten it, ensuring the support leg stays locked in place. Repeat these steps for the second support leg. For manual operation, insert the crank rod into the slot and rotate it clockwise to open or counterclockwise to close. If you want to know more about this product, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more from us in the future, including new products and how-to videos, hit the like button and remember to subscribe. And, as always, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.